Man, I sure would like to go skateboarding, huh? We're at the studio, supposed to be filming like a... Oh, that guy over there! He's not wearing his seatbelt! That's riggedy wrong, dudes! Right on, dog. Let's go, teach him a lesson.
Hey you! Don't you know it's dangerous to drive without your seatbelt?
Who are you?
Yeah, if you drive without your seatbelt, something like this may happen.
Stop!
Give me the wheel! Give me the wheel!
Whoa!
Man, you sure did make the world a better place today. And remember, kids, always